Before laying stopgap isolator membrane, vacuum or sweep the subfloor to remove any dust, dirt or debris. Roll out stopgap isolator membrane in the same direction as the floor covering to be laid, and allow to lay flat. Seams must be laid out to provide a minimum 30 cm offset from the seam of the resilient floor covering to be installed over the membrane. Close butt joint or overlap and cut the membrane. Do not form compression joints, as this can result in tenting. Where the floor has a relative humidity of greater than 75%, trim the membrane, leaving a gap of 3 to 6 mm from the walls, fixtures, columns and other abutments. Stopgap jointing tape must be applied to all joints prior to the application of the appropriate sticker bond adhesive. Suitable floor coverings can then be bonded to the membrane using either sticker bond F84 2-part adhesive or F47 pressure-sensitive adhesive.